York, and what bridge we go over? The George Washington Bridge, and that was interesting. My first time remembering, I think I was over at one point, but I don't know if I've ever been over it in my life. But of course we decided there's an upper side and a lower side, and since it was our first time over it all together, we decided to go to the upper side because someone wanted the upper side.
Hi, Katie.
And it was all under construction, straight right into traffic going over it. Even though both Wise and Apple Maps were telling us to go to the bottom one, we decided to go to the top one and not listen. So it was an 8-minute backup, not too bad. Look at that truck. All right, another 6.5 hours.
How does it look?
6 hours. Woo! Just cut over a half hour. First time in Connecticut. First time for everything. Oh, and the van, that's a 2013, just hit 60,000 miles.
Where are we going up to?
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Starbucks, never been there before.
Yes, it's strawberry refresher. Okay.
And wait, what?
And a strawberry refresher.
Strawberry refresher. Ah, we're leaving Connecticut, and now we're going to Massachusetts. It's a weird word. Massachusetts. These long words.
I thought it was Massachusetts.
Pennsylvania. Why can't it just be like P, M? Like state M, state P. Like just simple words.
Well, what about Montana?
Well, no, you just would have M1.
There's 52 states.
M1, M2, M3. So it would just be like, you know, like BMWs, right?
Gotcha.
I got you, see? Oh, there's 2 of them!
Boy.
Got them!
Oh boy, where do you think this guy's going?
I don't know. Like, can't be good.
Uh-oh. Where is he going?
Oh, now he's behind us. Great. Awesome.
It's okay.
So we got 3 phones going, all telling us a different thing. Well, no, 2 are telling us the same thing, but different times and different mileages. So it's very odd. So we're just kind of taking our chances. And when we don't listen to the phone, we get into this weird traffic. Look at this nice bridge. What, Tesla? Is that electric? Is that an electric car? Is that one of them there electric cars?
Yeah, that's an electric car.
It's an electric car. We're in Worcester or Westchester. We're in Worcester. Look at that, Jolin. We're going to Shrewsbury, Maine. Oh look, it's the Camden Yards. Wait, that's a lot of Massachusetts plates here.
What?
A lot of Massachusetts plates here.
License plates?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What state
Where?
were you thinking of seeing?
Well, we're in Massachusetts.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it would make sense.
Yeah, it would make sense. I was just making an observation.
Oh, that's a really good observation.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's Manchester.
Manchester.
We had Westchester.
We were just in Westchester.
Now Manchester.
Now Manchester. Not Manchester United.
What about a Womanchester?
We are in New Hampshire. So we just entered New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
We tried to get it on video.
Or as Google wants to say, New Hemisphere.
New Hemisphere. Maine is 13 miles away. Oh, we're almost at Maine.
What?
Yeah, I don't know if it says 13 miles, 16 minutes. Maybe we're only in,
New Hampshire for that little?
I guess, maybe we just kiss it.
13 minutes to Maine. We're only in New Hampshire for a tiny bit.
Well, there's obviously a lot of traffic in New Hampshire. We haven't had traffic this whole time. We had traffic in New York and New Hampshire. Coincidence?
It's yellow for a little while.
Coincidence? I think not. Stay away from anywhere that's called new before it.
Just for a little bit.
Right? New York, New Hampshire, traffic. What are we, how many hours in are we?
7.5.
7.5 hours. Look at this view. Look at that. So we're about an hour away from our cabin. Quarter of the way.
This is Belfast.
Made it. This is a good sign. It's got an American flag key. Let's see what it looks like. Wow.
Can we walk around the side or go?
Alright, let's check upstairs.
Oh yeah. Wow. We got cheers. Cheers. Vacation. The lake. Lake house.